FSS100 lightweight foldable wheelchair by Arcatron, the fastest growing wheelchair brand in India. A portable solution to your flawless movements. This is an unboxing video of the wheelchair. But before unboxing, let us review the box. The wheelchair comes with a sturdy X-frame crisp folding mechanism, which is easy to use and lightweight. The maximum weight capacity is up to 100 kilograms. The 8-inch front castor wheels help you to clear obstacles with ease. And the big 22-inch mag wheels make it easy to move. So why wait? Let us unbox. We receive a brochure inside. And finally, the wheelchair is here to take you away from the basic mobility hassles in your daily life. The wheelchair is easy to fold and unfold, giving you absolute comfort at the same time. The wheelchair is designed for senior citizens, pregnant ladies, or anyone with a muscle disorder or injury. And not to forget, it is made in India. The compact and foldable wheelchair is ready to go for untroubled traveling as it fits hassle-free in any vehicle. Get your FSS 100 today.